what is in the box? Well, we're going to find out today. It's something that goes with my solar system. And, well, you know, I got to tell you, I'm not sponsored by anybody. Everything you see, I've bought on my own. If somebody wanted to buy me something, I'd be happy for that. But solar is expensive. But it's also an enjoyable hobby. Somebody who I aspire to be like Andy in the Off-Grid Garage. Without much further to do, that's a little homage to Andy. We're going to open this box, and a little spoiler here, it's more EG4 parts. And if you can read, it's another 6000 XP. And so this is going to take me to 18,000 watts. And but I haven't opened this. I have no clue. The FedEx shipping looks like they did a good job. I know EG4 does a very good job of packaging their product. Once again, they don't sponsor me. I'd be happy if they did, but they don't. And so I'm gonna cut a little tape here, and we're gonna see how this thing arrived together. Because I've been waiting a day to do this, and I just can't wait any longer. So let's see what's in the box. See how it got here. All right, well, there's two flaps. There's three flaps. Like I said, this is the third package like this I've got. I didn't think to do an unboxing video on the others, but after unboxing them, I did have to say that the quality of the packaging is very good. So over here we've got manual. It also comes with anchors, and the nuts are in here for the battery cables to hook up. So there's also the little screws in here that attach the dongle to the side, so don't lose this. I don't have concrete walls, so I don't use the anchors. And with my trough that's very firmly mounted, it makes it kind of nice. I can actually sit the inverter right on it before I attach it to the wall, so I don't have to hold it up there, which these things are quite heavy. Next piece, we've got a couple of cables here. We have an orange battery cable, so that's with battery communications. And we have a gray paralleling cable, which allows you to parallel one inverter to the next. And so we'll be covering that as we add an inverter to the system. So I'm going to slip these off to the side. And if I was good at this, I could put a drum roll in the background, but hey, all right, I managed to open it upside down. So if anybody has wanted to see the backside of a 6000 XP, you just got the opportunity. I hadn't opened this thing. I didn't set anything up to show anybody. But it is a good example. I can show you the mounting tabs this way. The mounting tabs are screwed onto the inverter back here. And so I guess I should have figured out which side was the front. And so, but I didn't. So let's get this thing flipped up so we can see how it shipped. And it looks like this is the top. So I'm gonna grab it here and one hand this little guy up. Sorry about the And there she is. An EG4 6000 XP. Let me get rid of this piece of foam. And like I said, they do wrap them and package them very well for shipping. So we're gonna flip this thing, slide that. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna come around here. The other last piece that's very important is the communications dongle, which is hiding in here. So don't lose that guy, because you're gonna need that. I'm gonna set it up on the counter out of the way, and I'm gonna scoot this forward in the box. For those of you, I don't have a tripod. I am the tripod. So there we go. Very nice inverter. Looks very familiar. And so one of my current sayings is, one inverter is none, two inverters is one, and three makes me happy. So I'm gonna get this plastic off, and I will be back with another video as we get ready to mount this sucker on the wall. And as we do, we'll get the covers off and give you the, I know people have showed the inside of these before, but everybody has a little different take on things, and to see if they've done anything new on the inside, we'll find out together. So welcome to Going Solar with Steve, and I hope if you find it inspirational. If you do, please subscribe. Please tell me if I can do things better. You know, I am just a person trying to do some DIY solar. I'm not an electronic expert. I'm not an electrician. I'm sure that I've made mistakes.